Want to clean up your Windows PC with BleachBit? BleachBit is a free, open-source utility that helps remove temporary files, browser cache, logs, and other unnecessary data to free up storage and improve privacy. In this guide, I'll show you the basics of using BleachBit safely. Let's get started. First, open BleachBit from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. If Windows asks for administrator permission, select Yes if you want access to additional system cleaning options. Once the program opens, you'll see a list of cleaning categories on the left and descriptions on the right. Next, browse the list of applications and system categories. Check the boxes next to the items you'd like to clean, such as browser cache, temporary files, thumbnails, or system logs. When you click a category, BleachBit displays a description explaining exactly what that option removes. Before deleting anything, click the Preview button. BleachBit will scan your computer and show you which files can be removed, along with an estimate of how much disk space you'll recover. Using Preview first is the safest way to review the results before making any permanent changes. If everything looks correct, click the Clean button and confirm the action when prompted. BleachBit will permanently remove the selected files, so make sure you've closed any applications you're cleaning, like your web browser, before continuing. Once the cleanup is finished, review the results to see how much storage space was recovered. For regular maintenance, you can repeat this process every so often, but avoid selecting cleaning options you don't fully understand, especially advanced ones, and that's how to use BleachBit. By previewing your cleanup first and selecting only the items you want to remove, you can safely free up storage while helping protect your privacy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.